Hello and welcome to a new topic, how to write a paragraph. This is the second stage of how we write a paragraph. And what is the second stage? What is a topic sentence? Let's discuss the topic. Topic sentence. What does it mean? It is directly related to the topic or what we call title of the paragraph. Look, when we say the phrase topic sentence, the sentence is directly connected to the topic we are going to write about. The sentence is directly connected to the title we are going to talk about. That is why we call it topic sentence. Because topic sentence has direct relevance to the topic of the paragraph. Direct connection with the title of the paragraph. That is why we call it topic sentence. And what does it do in a paragraph? Let's have some more ideas. The topic sentence is usually the first sentence of the paragraph. Normally, topic sentence is found to be the first sentence of the paragraph. Why? Because it sets the tone of the paragraph. It begins the discussion of the paragraph. It is in fact the starting point of the paragraph. It states and mirrors the main idea of the paragraph. We have some more ideas. It tells the readers what the paragraph will be about and guides them to the core of thought. So what we come to the point theoretically is that topic sentence is a sentence which is directly connected or related to the topic of the paragraph, title of the paragraph. And this is normally the beginning of the sentence. But we need to understand in what way topic sentence is practically formed, practically structured, practically conceived and then written. So let's have some examples to understand this concept. Please support by joining the channel. Your financial contributions are greatly appreciated and truly support the cause I stand for in promoting self-learning. By becoming a member, you will gain the opportunity to delve deeply into subjects such as linguistics, literature, and other fields of knowledge. Our members-only videos are recrafted to simplify the complex linguistic concepts. Thank you for your support. Now let's discuss the current topic. So we have examples of topic sentences. Suppose you want to write a paragraph and the topic of the paragraph which you have chosen is, for example, here I have taken on your behalf a topic to write a paragraph, a title to write a paragraph, and that topic is my favorite game. You can choose any topic you like. It depends upon you, how you form the idea, what your process of thinking is about a certain topic to write. So here we have taken a topic, my favorite game. Now the question is how to start writing the paragraph, how to write a topic sentence. In what way should I start the idea in the beginning? So you can write in a way you like. As we have just spoken, the first sentence is always known to be the topic sentence. And the topic sentence is directly connected. So let's write topic sentence for this topic, my favorite game. And here it is. My favorite game is football because it keeps me active. What we notice is that the topic itself is found to be in the first sentence. Therefore, the first sentence is the topic sentence of the paragraph. Why it is important to include the topic in the first sentence? Because it sets the tone. It creates the mood. It helps you focus upon the main idea, main content, so that you don't get diverted. Let's have another example. Among all the games I play, chess is my favorite. It's not necessary that the topic of the paragraph should be always in the beginning of the topic sentence. But the topic must be somewhere, anywhere in the beginning of the sentence. Like in the second sentence, among all the games, you can see we have the games and then we have my favorite at the end. But the idea is that my favorite game is, concept of my favorite game is already there in the second example. Let's have another example. Whenever I play my favorite game, I feel excited. So what we notice in all these three examples of topic sentence, that the topic of the paragraph is normally found in the beginning of the sentence and it helps you start the discussion. It helps you to write a paragraph smoothly. Now let's have another example and you decide if this example is right or wrong. as far as topic sentence is concerned. Game is a beautiful activity. Is this sentence qualifies to be a topic sentence? No. Why? Because we mention the word game. But this sentence or this topic sentence does not give you the idea or the main idea of the topic my favorite game. Because my favorite game is more specific, more particular. It means you are talking about the game you like most. But the last example, which is game is a beautiful activity, this topic sentence does not reflect the core idea of my favorite game. It talks in general about the game. Therefore, the last example which I have written as a topic sentence is not correct. So be careful. When you write a topic sentence, the topic of the paragraph in itself must be reflected in the writing of the first sentence of the paragraph. Let's have another example to understand this concept in a much better way. Examples of topic sentences, and this time my topic is daily routine. This is the title of the paragraph. Now let me think how to write a topic sentence. And here it is. My daily routine helps me stay organized. You can see how the topic of the paragraph is directly mentioned in the first sentence of my paragraph. Therefore, this is a topic sentence. Let me have another example. Following a daily routine teaches me discipline. The same, the topic of the paragraph is expressed in the very first sentence of the paragraph. It sets the mood. We can go ahead. We can talk about more focused. We continue. Life without a daily routine wastes my day. You can see how all these three sentences, topic sentences, all these three examples reflect the mood of the topic which is selected as daily routine. But I have another example. I exercise daily. Does this topic sentence talk about daily routine? No. This talk about exercise. This topic sentence is not connected with the topic which I have chosen, daily routine. So therefore, the last example is wrong as far as topic sentence is concerned. So what I mean to say is that topic sentence is usually the first sentence of the paragraph, and topic sentence must reflect the essence, the thought, the core, the word of the topic itself in the first sentence. Only then that can be qualified as a topic sentence. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.